Nkwa Hia me mo adwoso nkokwan so kra se dwoada fefe we so akọ de abeto ye ne be se me no wo cha asem kitwa bi a me de ma wakọ aba ye mie nkọ Jeremiah 33:3. Now say call to me and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things which you do not know. Erade se yemfre de hia dem no beji en so no aka nsem akese ahinta no e de akire ye emfa ho ne se de ohaw atete no etie frɛ no obejo so abri bia obefrɛ no no obejo so gise woni gidie e wode wo ye no mu nti wei e na me fa akwanya iso de amao akwa aba de waba Nkwa Hia dwumade adwoda nwumre bia no nknom pa mu ye de bro e wa Adom TV so medi afia amankwa tamaklo free sabre kosise ndu ebebo apa mu no ye bedi nkomo e de afa H1N1 ho fi sebe bosome ntem ni kakra ni se de chese jinsam kura ye nsuku ahodrom yese ne ha ekina ha ede ade a de ne ye de abo ye ho ban no ho nkomo twetwen na nwumre yetena se a ye ba bedie me ne Dr. H1N1 free veterinary services and then you oba boy ya chire ye sande ma ni nyina mu megidi yesi e bewie no na so asua bibi ye mo akwa aba ye twe ho akwaje aboafo nkrato aba ye ba ye bekasa Fasedano ema ya boafo so nkokwan so wo na boy chidom na Jordan nwumre bia no nkono pa mu yetena se e wo Nkwa Hia dwumade so na ye de bro you darling mojadro no ene fie bia mu hia busua ni nyina monom you darling mojadro boye papa e mata na anase ma afefro kra de wom so wo magye nkwa no fisa folic acid e wo mu dada nti wo nom folic acid na na boawo ene abofra ni nyina nti ba bia ye ton no bia ukoko no ma wo se wo pe you darling mojadro ni bia to be boawo ye papa ana frɛ 0553632416 0553632416 na you darling no akasa kofa ginseng capsules eno ana ebo no de mema ni nyina de ne aha me hye me ne mema nko ana hya nti wo mutwetwa bisa na wo mugina mo na so pampe badwuma yie se nyame bie ye ne am ye hu ne ekoso nkrofo ho a ene ka wa wo better power na zum se kofa ginseng capsules no ye adwuma to hye ne fruit ne Raymond Dr. de ompenu ho asɛmti me yi ne free na wonya kofa garlic bitters and the capsules so boost your immune system non so stradia no yini na free ho kofa heba mission so malaria do ntina ho malaria mfa won consider free kofa for was 0246888149 0246888149 koa fs efie bia hia koa fs eye papa adaje ni pani enti no ana ma immune system na no aye mmere say yari nti yari bi ekowu ana ebekra ye nyakoa fs no abehu se ahodene sonko kwan so aba odi padua ne mo mu ba bia koa fs enyen na ubowura ba bia busa so pekoa fs ana afra wo mo 0244726611 0244726611 wo mo eni nyumeku ebo yachi Adom na maboafo nso om dress me na bresem ye de ondin ebetu dwane mesi ye din komode afa H1N1 eho wo hwe o man Ghana mu a since 2009 6 August na beto dwa se ya really be unity wa ha bra bofra kuma young lady na ho fa no ho ye ne star be o hospital kwa ya na eso emu ano H1N1 ni bi akire na se ni nua tukwan aba mse se ho no mkofa free yo se de na ye yo bi entumi ehunu nti no H1N1 no ewo ho nya o man Ghana nko a wo hwe WHO kra se de wo mo church no a be total number of 162,380 na abeto edwa se cases no wono mo ewo ebie nti enipa afri mu 1154 efa sa H1N1 honya Ghana ho wiase nyina Ghana yenso ye de ehyem na nsen ya wate schools ahodo wo ha yese bia pie ha wo ha yese bia pie ha eyede ha because obi am pese obete se ne be ko school ana wo adwuma na bibi we yare we a che no no wato na nan monse do nti na Nkwa Hia adwumade ne yese ne yeni eho enkomo na yenhwe Dr. H1N1 adwumre ye mo adwomo akwaba
efia
yeda se papa emra yede ma wo a watimi akeka ho ba ntampa so fa wabi ti obi am de ne ba ha omre no umfani agro Dr. Free Veterinary Services and then you may waba and ye a baby doing come. Dr. Ahia said, "Dear, make a day since 2009, and a Ghana has ceased against the debate to just H1N1 no be a P. Ewaha. From that time, the pemene 2017. It's a saying.
H1N1 no yadibia ye inipa ene mmoa na mmoa na ye omu no ye omu
ya ma ne so kakra
yo mmoa na ye omu no ye omu mpreko ye omu mmoa ntechraboa eye best enoma yes and so even ampine bats mutumia flu
okay
but virus ni omu ahudo bebre yo H1N1, H1N2, H3N2, even H7N9. Yeah, the same virus, no influenza A virus, no.
Okay.
But you the H1, you the H nipa no. The moment the H M1 buonoma, it me nipa. You the nipa ni buon so to me chimwana. So far, the who say in no madiano, and in Perco diano, no to me nipa. But H1N1 and CCI in your Ghana hand me. I in about 2009 said they were working. 2009 and an outbreak needs to see we are suffering baby. Because Spain or call Argentina or call USA. USA for the outbreak no cause okay pa. Now first outbreak you see power we are say 1918.
Okay.
And you can also we are suffering almost in we and pay 50 to 100 million. Now recent one in the and yet the fi emwemu direct nipa.
Na dey here.
No, you find novel virus. But say virus new for kra. Na adentina virus na for. Nti when you body find emerging diseases are afena everybody. Na answer na H1N1 and now this influenza virus never out no. Sa novel ones no. Ebu hono ma etumi say preko abo bi e friend mixing vessel oni je say otumi je ho e fa inipa ni gin kakra na afa techrabo aya anoma gin kakra na odi abom nti odi bom pe na mix o mix na the foforo ababo ntini sa foforo no sometimes a novel is I know it me cause a pandemic
okay
e ma infection no cause nipa tentem aha sa particular one dey enfi preko direct number nipem na me nipa na
ye hunu ne nei ay koso okuma kan ada schools no from nipa but said you walking say preko edie na ye peke free ha no wafa kakra no akofa ntakrabo ade kakra enti ade na ye recreate ne de from ebeka nipa ho nti ye nso ye spread man ye hu nipa na free hin na be share nipa no mo
o say preko nam no so nua me Ghana ha the Africa ha the said the enyo eduane de me pepa nto nua ye nuane ye hitini pa and most of the time na nka no untumi nya yaduane emfi prekonam wiemu
okay
nti many pa ensuro say omunya omwe preko omunya nam no omunya yade he no what you say nemom denti ema mix in cost so wo no ma or even seasonal flu sometimes awoba utuminya flu you will seasonal flu H1N1 yes, as well seasonal flu H3N2. And the seasonal normal to me. But this particular one, a pandemic strain. And to me and 10 cause ya running 10 ma owoba. Inti so nipa or even seasonal flu keke. Se bi o hinti o flu. Na onya contact with preko. Okay. Preko bit ma pick sa flu virus no. Preko no ya contact with even a bed even to say be a double. Na o flu virus be preko to mix okay, no mix it. That is both new friend reassortment.
You can Matthias, but said yeah, bear nipa ni mono. And no dear he say bia the me in proko, and me in proqua. A horn makes me and ye be a quite bay and nipa no subit me in ye
my minister to say preko swine flu dan casano. Yes, almost 50 years neighbor report to say swine flu, when yes swine flu.
The Sydney Ghana.
Yes, swine flu.
No, dear flu.
And I met you say, your classical swine flu, and your H1N1, your H3N2, and idea. And no, I am preconqua, but you to me. But this one idea, but some say, and no, through reassortment no and do we buy
but we friend is say
2009 H1N1 virus.
Nani swine flu ni fi.
It is swine flu no wrong reportage.
Oh sir.
Me
can say. Some me can swine flu and American.
You can say pandemic H1N1 virus. 2000. Sana buy no. Access no ke buy America no. Mo ka say bia na swine flu. Mo hwe no so enfim preko ho. Na mom e bia preko no amex ade ndada. Na ansa ni pe bia no e bia preko no we hinti wa sebi wa region 9 na virus no ato e bia dust mu e bia obi ni sakeka ade bi e ba environment ni mu na nipa to mi ko peke.
Okay. Adofo ye di nkomo de afa H1N1 ehun yesi we no de esi Ghana ha na nya swine flu. Nti no say the baby ye di nkomo no afre no de die yesi sesi from nipa ko nipa mu. Ti say bia preko ana ntakramo ani bi na bi anya. See ye no mo contact wo for mo ho yesi no. Uhisi wo yesi code che wo say bi e de aye wo but yes mo amwe ne de mo betimi awe. Na enye say bia direct wo we from aboa mu no na wo so wo betimi enya but before we no kra beba na enya ne nte yese se nkrofo bi hyeda so mpe so mo de testimony no bi hwe se duro we betimi de akio yade we ya na no ya hyeda de gugugugu ye nam no mu nim ni ade obi ni no akɔwe sa de no so no kra be no
oh I know the mean doubt as a medical scientist and I say veterinary scientist to see you will paboni for bua said the cano bioterrorism. In your way nko Ebola, with me a virus no, anthrax so ya dey to me a film wo with me ya sa bacteria no. Maybe all their fat in mwemu in paria mu ya sa anthrax ya no. And ye a bit me see. But ethically in scientific research and scientific community need ye bibisa and time see so we better that. But bioterrorism. Ofye yen so Ghana so your borders no we expose. We bet made na Burkina Faso. The anthrax, Ebola, aye emwa bi keke. Maybe ye push you over Ghana. Maybe they are going abattoir, you come through that process no nipa betumi nya.
Na na mo ho ye dey.
Ye ho but Ghana ha no ye no so. In ka share veterinary services na. In ka hear doctors or public service be 1,000. Anye bi anka 1,000.
Tesanka was public health ana
public
Aban hospitals nyina nke enya mo nso mo bi baako bi ho.
Nye say hospitals keke. Mo hospital nipa hospitals. Your veterinary facilities wo call district bi ho no, mo call region bi ho no. Veterinary clinics na there. And no sa aban doctors no, veterinary doctors no. And then ska yen ya kranka be 1,000. But since there won be 32 pe.
Ye hia 1,032 pe ne wo.
Oh, 32 pe ne wo. Into hwa adwuma no ejene.
Promo so.
Ntumi ye.
Nya ba bia na mo behu. Ako
nye bebia no behu nti mema o case bi na mo sua na me housemanship mada homache homeda homache ne ye frame say case bi esi wo nsu atre ko be 5 kilometers from sunyane me call na ya de fe ni anthrax no so ya zoonotic it say zoonotic if you move out me nipa e be nipa ho a very dangerous disease pa nti bi do wona me hu na me say dabio we de anthrax nti mo ntwen na yen diagnose ni ansa ye hu de ye be ye no Miki, who could the whole Suyan Brown have for veterinary any laboratory be or you see a whole
Sunyane Pada, the entire region.
The whole region, there was no laboratory or honum air function.
A year best seminar working.
2016 year. I'm telling you for a fact.
But 17 or many.
Oh, being hot still. Me see, bear 35 years, and you see a whole story building laboratory. Say J. Breso, Mampenin J. Breso. Ya sese bibia esu abesi nde mfidie hwinim
edani si ho
35 years amena okase
na dey
se veterinary no obi adwene se eye ye hwe mwa keke bo ni medwuma ye de bu nipa wo hwe wiase yinia yade a eye mwa sanso ye nipa no ane se nipa yade yinia no yi o hanchiche mu ediosia ye fi mwa mu indi se ye nipa yade mu
ediosia 60% yade ni bi o ho no ye mwa ye free muamu
inipa ya die ina no emu 60% ye free muamu o hwe disease emerging and saying no Ebola, Marburg, Nipah, Zika eni sa H1N1 ya
na me say e free here kura
ya asemo enu asem na ethical issues yen kan wa hanom but emu 75% over the past 2 to 3 decades no nipa ya de we mu na efim we 75%.
Afa dey do 75 am ka 60 mpo.
65 me nipa ya de na no 60%.
Okay.
But imagine once new ones dey beba no. Emu 75 nye fi embuem.
Asamba ya de na asie nipa na esan say nipa ne mo identity ana say dey.
Say ecosystem no interactions no ebi won ma ya dey bo no wildlife they say embuam. But the more you closer proximity no need to mean contacts. What you say? Inti enyo bebre. Inti na veterinary service need to be strengthen no. Inti so service bi wo no ma. Onne de ni so o metriti nipa. Ni mo de dey dwuma ye say o ye dwuma se de be ya. Nipa ya de na ha nchiche mu edusia. Emba nipa mu ne mo be stay bo mbu mu a ye tutu na se. Eno na ye Ghana for ye nim. Inti wo hwe White House a Trump ne nkofo mo say to keep Americans safe, you have to employ more veterinarians. That's the possible things that are possible here. And even as special agents.
It's nice I said, okay, me to see here. Saganda ha, vet fui, ye mu ye ni nya dodoa. Nya we beba bebe. Antrax no ho ye beba kan ni nyina kran ka ma ha.
Je say e wo ha kra no a ye behwe say wo mboa no mu ni pe nya.
Ade niema na muni ana de asai say nipa ni ho no akade no so
akade no so de say the make am say the whole born half there's no laboratory and the oko northern region there na yes
ho de bi ho
northern region yo ba ko o pontamale
ba ko we serious ya can say on say san say wo mu no so nti na agensemu no sanka wo mu do so edema wo ho anke be yi ti we de mampani ne mpanifo ye nhwe na whole region na ye ni vet service e wo hodia na che se ha dwen ti o de mpedifo mra Nkwa Hia na wo hwe no faseda ema maboafo sonko kwan so kra vi se wo mo ana brebia wo mo dress me page 1 salon e wo dome organizer Mr. Yakoho no koye oti si uti si ye bo se die abe ne kama nails ne pedicure ne medicure nyina no page 1 salon aye krado obesiesi o kama pa mayo ne mema kama wo mo ni mu etie ubowura mu a ne ajo so kama miti we de Abigail kokko na yema me obia ne de oye kokko obia timi e bibia de mount ko page 1 salon na koyoti frɛ wo mo 0544 319157 0544 319157 Romeo collection wo Kumase Mr. Oya mo nko no design mo kama occasion bia ne ho designs a Romeo be ye e de amount frɛ no 0242 315789 0242315789 minua be ma me che opa nya me shraw normal so mfira Adom Nkwa Adom doctor yento so now de mo case ne dem say mo de ese ye she de treat no but ene de ye hwe say apomuden ho nsem ba ye hwe we nso me hunu say de wo kire mu yi enye wo hyew na betume de H1N1 aba ba wo hwe de PP schools mu ene ote wo ho ayeso bi ya rational de no ko emu be 20 admit wo mo so far communication in common e ba no chese ventilation e ho hye hye kakra heat nso time de H1N1 ba
say ansana the ventilation say oh we be na say infama bo kama say virus no around cry
e be bonako
okay infama fem na de ko so obi kra obi na ohome infama tumi abo akọ ni mom say dose wo baby na say ventilation ye poor that means say unya abo wan so sneezing na ba me nipa no so
okay
inti akwai say e wo say you tumi avoid the places a nipa bebre wo na say be schools mu no Esinya contingency plans for health measures, emergency measures, because emergency was school more. That's there's no contingency plan in the school health system, and they send you money here. What you say? Indeed, self ventilation is another issue.
Chano so timide eno so basa de working. So one not choking kwa crowded. They ya obi betimi enye bi na say ye can say ye sanka bank at least. Ebi abehu sunsanso bi kakra bi ba we de by the time nipa no be ka jack na say e de na konse doa no enyi bibi ma wunni unhu symptoms bi hu say oh ade we ebobo bai ye rational fa no hospital ne ade bibi sai en na di woni pa ne enipa duam
bibi sa dedi your signs and symptoms who say wo ma we start na ohinti sneezing obu on so na nya so throat okay obu so ho na wa ye weak akra ase ne ho aye ne mwe obuso no obowa obuso ohomia ensiso but we mu nia no say the science na kwete say flu na yen ni bi keke into the best thing is say wunya signs na and the symptoms na immediately go to a health facility you consult na hono na wo fie na wo nua na say obakra enya sa symptoms na you consult man ko nipem ebi ya ko school and it's na fie near about 24 hours because it is believed say after 24 hours the fever no twema virus no spread no and yet I know yes sir
ntino say there wo kan kura no see am wo ho kura na bi ochine bi me hu nya me yi fast ni kwan say yakofa para bi no ne ade kura de so
oh say ye man no sana yakoye no tum say utumi ko pharmacy ni wakoto eduro bi a ope control of drugs no eni wosa regulations of drugs eni wosa metuma ko pharmacy si akase me pe antibiotic e beto mama without any prescription akoso bo kan wo say enkoso ye kan mompo de nipa nduro mpo de ye but nduro ye de ye mwa de no control at all ukra betumi akọ veterinary pharmacy akoto eduro be mo to mo sisi no akọ yisu
sa keke
etu egum oh ntinka wo jare nko ade nka ideal thing is nko be si wo akọhwehwe doctor chirakan and so be ko health facility ya hwew nti obi yare no ya sa symptoms you can sort na so
say what tray nipa de nipa te bi bi ba so a de dead ma wo betu ho na mo eba ye moa no so ne nipa pe emo asem ntakra mo ya wo bobo sui no mu ne de bi oni bi na tifie omo sa moa no so no ebi ba omo so a de na obe hu
yo to say bia preko say the science na to say nipa ye ni pepe
okay
mo so preko ni bo wa
me mu se preko abo
and no you hear it I say obake to say kama apron okay wabo o hinti mo so na hinu mu finsuo na ni ay kokko conjunctivitis ibo so mo so vomit kakra the same thing almost the same thing but obu okra oni ejinamo na ti ye flu na enipenya no seasonal flus no ejinamo etumi de menjinamwa even researchers stress say ejinamo tumi ya avian flu nkokọ de no ma de no ni se onya na so no wo fie no anhwe yi a usubetumi
enya bi adofo wadwen kire no fakọ Instagram afia tamaklo na Dr. Eje Safo ofri veterinary services eboye na yene na edi ho nkomo tie de wo kana enen nyarwa na ye beba no fa ne mu be 75% no efri se
nya no muamu
ye nya no wo emuamu enu ti na amane ti sanka vet no ye service wo mu ye mo de yanka yade ni nyina no abrase fo adwen kire no bra na yenkenkan fa mawo fa se dada kese no ma you darling mojadro o se ye busua enchemfa kofa heba enuro papa fie na fe Nkwa FM Nkwa FS the immune booster you need yankwajo nkra to imra ye ba ye beto so yamu akwa ba mfamra Nkwa Hia dwumade so ya dwoada nwumre bia no nkono empɛ mu de kosi no ndum pɛ mu na yatena se ne nkomo no ye H1N1 afei na mse bi mo atuni ni na wo mo ehwe nti de yabusa no na wasesi su biensi ensan kanti doctor for ye viewers sekinti symptoms no sunsanso e be dead ya mo hu se o boboba no sesi su biem kakra mo
obia H1N1 edikan obia sore throat one numi ne ya se normal when ya flu no a obe hinti
up down ni mu kakra
obe hinti obe sneeze obe cough with me cough once obe ya fever na ni temperature no akọ high kakra once a with me vomit emukwa to me enter into diarrhea phase
trying to come
that's how the symptoms are no but why we kakra one feeling why embre
you say ayi omo e bi our immune system no ano emre asthma diabetic for no ni ade omo de e na dangerous pa
so bu asthma and diabetes no because one can say immunocompromised that we means the move our film into one or asthma say no yeah most any asthma you know a baby no so more congestive heart failure most say heart failure no cry akwaso bebre in this all underlying disease be there and you nya chill no and then only nyame certificate na mo be sign no na bia mo pen intem na ma sign internet so ye intem no hospital
na we no ehu pa H1N1 no
we know ye mo ni pe hu but we know because ya tun di pandemic strain a pandemic just say spreading 10 no the propensity to cause death inti
na we ye see ye kura wo hu ya pa yes we
obo ko show symptom ya o
sa no
phone na pa
ano so ho na no we show denti na na di mi hu
ini pa no say ye kan no obo mo so na mo ya we bo hu dada inti your immunocompromise inti ya chin na some small fever no wakra
na me samra mo an ho no mu bio sounds nipa de ba nti ye mo na ye no mo tie no say ne ye treat o mo osa brano ye do mo call medical check up say ne ye besia ya prevent o mo free sa nyarwa no ne ade no
nyawa bi sa zoonotic disease na kan wasem no ye fi ni emwem ko ni pa hono no je say ne se de bia no o abo wo hono ma so tumi ni ko veterinary for
de bia na bia quarterly
and say annually from some check up or ya reso infinite na ho almost abo na ya infinite na ho no onu ya re ko I had a patient, a client actually, no your bar, and no I bought it twice.
Ni pass am na okay.
Ni pass na me no my client or the camera not me hwe ne camera man.
Na bought na aboana na.
Ni pa no.
Say ono
like onyima opon.
Oh okay. Aha.
Na enkomodi di man on me discuss here. I'm going to say oh nkra ofi. Oh pen crass and pant o nyamo be 4. Na me se on fa nkran ba na yen hwe ade ye ko hwe na akra no toxoplasmosis sa toxoplasmosis ye ya we bia je say oba won ya wetumi apon ebe oba wo kra oba na abo ani oba ni nsa no apompon because omo for me some cyst be ko hye e cross placenta ntumi ko abofra no mu nti ma abofra development kra wo ye funu kra no enko so yi
say so oni abo ani ye fine nti ana
say akra no disease ntu o shede no so ni di agro but ebi on keep good sanitation and hygiene into washing inside na bi on so introduce ya no fini pass na so ne ko o say ya bi say schizophrenia mo sister join news na nsin ya make ya we bi a ekoso abo asabi nipa mo adwene mu ka ye no makopo ya camps
bipolar for na na
me say a documentary pa but diagnosis almost say we make it for hospitals and say omo schizophrenia most of them schizophrenia in can you say any infectious cause bia but then you say toxoplasmosis ya mechanism ya is associated with the disease into wo kra wo fie obu on mo obewo no na bia onya toxoplasmosis no nti owo a ne ba na obi onya na obi akonya schizophrenia
eno ne de yare ba tire mu kakra
yare bia eni panyi a old age na eba to munya se mo waju mu nka na I said sabi de wabo dam no ni akoto prayer camps ni akọ we mu show psychotic signs inti se nyu bi sa no wo abo ofie nko ade a na so yare a ni kan so de abo anes na ho e bia na ye zoonotic disease a botu menya
so betimi aka se de wo kan ye dangerous no ni ade ye betimi atuti ama na kọ obi betimi anya yare bi ye de no be hospital no be ne den
Nkwa H1N1 we now come was ye wo antiviral drugs are ready treat
maybe o hodada na ye hwema ye meye free mu
eno de Ghana Health Service me ntumi nkasa ma omo ba unse e ba ye no mo ma ndro bi
na me ti week yi mu ne ye se ye beba mai iti
the ndro bi na di ma omo no
say no omo dey come omo bi
some antibiotics
but this week omo cha so omo be say afa na dodo no pa ba
so na omo ntumi ntuji abra omo hu yade no so hu yade no yare bands me tuti
ansa na wo hu na mo so mo wi atwi mo ni say mo hwe
Benfo.
Wa nya vet foi.
Yeah den.
Na mu twi mu ni. On sanka we mu die mu apepepe na nka mu enipa mu afaye na mu hwehwe mu
ne. Oh, that ye ntimi mfa nipa no hwehwe ye adwuma no no. Na wo so we so that Mr. Sese make no. Emfi emwem direct na be nipa.
Ah, aba nipa to nipa.
Ha, na mom die ebetum aye ne se. yare na baby no e wo say Ghana Medical Association mo ma ba house nka aban NC laboratories mienu infectious laboratories eno na nke yen kwa so nke ye person nka ba ko de nka ye for zoonotic diseases nko yare ya yetumi nya film wo no nke ye sa nhwemu no wo sa laboratory ho nko nke be kama pa man na no nke ye constant monitoring of the disease in the animal.
Okay,
because mache was a pork pig no otumi fa different genes no akabom no dey adefo raba nti surveillance no wo pig no mu bebia and e bitu say ebia virus no o change and so will change
nke ene sa na nke
ene sa ene so nke bebo.
Okay, na say ya uhwe schools ene ba bia ho ye so close ho enfamanom ne ade ma ho sa ebia ya discover ba ko mienu ebi ma free mu no ho sa area no ye nya ho dai ene ni pay wo mu no
yare see outbreak business investigation epidemiological investigation. Public health service for no war e kwame on fa so we may take any decision be across ebia you restricted movement ye mo bi enkofi be in the next 1 month what you oh say there you be enkofi ye enko treat mo fi but it depends on the actual disease nobody take a decision but once again pentem ebua in time because ya when by na ya call na ya say oh H1N1 in disease investigation you bet me will say be H1N1 laboratory actually ebia na it has been associated with the disease but in interest is the cause of the disease on those so the analytical investigation any some descriptive epidemiology boom it was H1N1 ya na cause outbreak in the as that now investigation is ongoing and ya church ya kwan ya be fa so a honsa and time found so kon hwene no ano o yare a ko hospital and I say and time ko ni pem abra o yare sanye mo ni mani nya no na eboa no metumi de bra yare na se but for now ne de I think say if thorough investigation is finished omode nyuma ba out about say nipa enye
Dr. Ajay Safo free veterinary services anyway watch ye niema mu star pa yengo video we emra ye ba yetwa so
ene Nkwa Hia ye besha swine flu yade. Swine flu eye mframamu yade bi a virus bi e di H1N1 ene de ba eye mframamu yade bi a esane ewo mra wahome obi a wanya sa yade no bi se nipa na wansi anampo se wabowa yade ne mu nchichemu eye bebre virus no mu wo genetic material bi a ekura blueprint bi a enam so etumi doso virus yi ewo krabia bi a ekura proteins a ye fe no H1N1 we enenam so a yenya yade no din H1N1 SARS swine flu yi e ka bia ye home fa no ye hwene ye menemu ene ya hrawa H spikes no e ka receptions a e cell membranes yade bia enka no we ema virus no ho kwan ema etumi powura cells no na se ba no saa nipadua no form membrane e virus molecules no ho afei virus no de nani chere cells no command center eye nucleus no na ebiem genetic contents cells no cytoplasm no ribosomes etese factories enam blueprint so edinenuma viral blueprints no ribosomes manufacture proteins bit to say H1N1 spikes we eneboa virus molecules foforo kai hu say cell ba ko pe etumi pi virus apepepepe meche virus bebra ehu pa se ba no sa enam se edi load ekokogina cells no sunti no pai na eno virus no treko honam no emia ewo ni bia no
Ewa kwaba Adom TV na wo hwe no Nkwa Hia dwumadi adwoda 9:30 bia adekosi 10:30 yetna se ne edi nkomo H1N1 ho nkomo na yedie no you darling mojadro eboye chidom kofa heba nro papa efie core FS the immune booster you need oni nweku ebo ye chi dom Dr. Ajay Safo of veterinary services nene watcheche se bebre fa H1N1 ho doctor say yare no bi ba obi so a a family say bosume say na watche ana afe asana be free the body when who so di pay see and ho heading.
Say treatment be amba. It will take about weeks or days. Then when you treat any panagia, what may recover within some few days.
Okay.
Now say Americano about within 4 to 5 days. When you pan on disease no shedding of the virus no, an advance. But over to my array home for all the hospital crash near Barbe some few weeks be some crowd will extend to some about 4 weeks, 3 weeks. But it takes normally within some few days if treatment is given. Now I recover. Only bedridden for quite a long time with the disease. Unless they
are quite a cockra and a cracked a whole debate.
Oh, a quite a cock. Was outbreaks wrong? We require one because in about 2009. Now in about for 2017 this year. In outbreaks also the inca who epidemiological investigations and say epidemiology. In Kabakwes no, get best expected back 20 years later. Into when Ankasan say who say be open if you are going to the buyer. And say if he the investigation in buyer, you see who source Nankasa. Now your epidemiologists are almost to my year or Ghana Health Service. Went to my age when was I did with you if you are potty. The who side near name to my swan coin.
Yamra no air this year and a sabbatray or last a power day my ye. A daddy and yam way who buy in free H1N1.
The kind here, you go to my and say, baby, any paper be Taiwan, air and type alcohol. Prevention is better than cure. 2. Say the bear will be in your baby, not per se spreading in tea. 1. Oh, yeah, say school now quite. New ones are called. A human all quite so to meet no fee. Now, shall say be a fever no, a sweet trap, and some go to me a day. Alcohol. Oh, so and tie and found sang can you and found one. Because the virus no obey him to crown a wide day with you, wait me up pick it. Oh, also, yeah, tie very be personal hygiene. Tie wash on sa. Who on washing and no did he? Or one more than suck a be or than sa or did he? Indeed, because I quite say on practice any personal hygiene be but personal hygiene is key. And I just a woman. Yeah, we because virus ni buo no kra we had the soap wash on sa no because envelope e kata no ho envelope na kata no so soap nya ka ho pa na say no into to me wash on sa wait me prevent disease no to me prevent so de on sa ko hwena no no a wait me prevent disease no na be ni petwe hye be so no untan nko na o yare no nya symptoms na ko hospital tentem ne nhwa no ma say be disease no and spread it
into we the last one so on vaccination no and then obi beye say yare do kwanya ma na bia wate say ne nam yi wodi kan bo pane ansa ana je say bia che wansa
vaccination dey say yebo asa wo yade no
anti ebeye sanko bia akwakobo bia na
ebeye we say oko scientific community now some scientists will have their own reservation about vaccinations but in the majority good need vaccinations here into kwa near vaccinate to it will prevent you from getting the disease.
Obi se me misa said mampani na na do da bay na wo de veterinary lab ebeba bono afo ho no tie obi se ohun ade ebeba nti we de nana bia wo bi obi a wo hwe bia nana oji hese wo hwe ko bisa mampani mai na fa
ni kwa amtindi kwa doctor
beda ebi e do ba ko ho
oh na currently nanga sanya doctor beda 52 omugu fia onye problem
me so be yeah bisa sa question no
young doctors be 52
yeah ade
me kwa me ka ho
oh
me ejuma me o veterinary on a volunteer work
oh
volunteer
ye ntua aka
ye ntua me ka but inipa ni hia mo aye no mo lab
inipa ni hia mo
ene de yabani ni pinifo
un say ye no so another issue and they say ye sheda kan
wasam enye easy
ani e fra wa ba obe chechire hu sa nyame hira no be fiade e be che na adwuma da opona no otwen o
ene ne nka che na nado
no
His Excellency
but when I come mefa we mram be a pen what challenge na other regions no obia obi
so across the whole country
yeah you just tamale you said o can northern
point tamale o ebu kuma so ni obu Accra be ne kra mpo no equipment any facilities no
mo like
so you come once my daddy boy e be e be da na de ache
sa na ne be de yet me apoti ayare because mo na mo titi ba bi emfa mu
I say ya de we na nsa na kwa say ni nkuntia no agi de bi yare no ba wi na surveillance ye hwe se bi yare no egusu ho no ma na say involve wo big population mu na be na
na se be do na yakuya wi
oh sisi ane de me ntumi nka say yare no we improko ni mu because ye nim into me say even the other swine flu viruses are away in pre-community because yes na edwuma na ye so no say mo do so mo hands na ketu be mo edwuma
ba mo adam penifo ndi etu omoka
oh some penifo ndi say me kan 32 penny more active twin car service here nipa be 1000 no ne technicians be 2000 yeah technicians o mundu be 200 impo nti ensem bebre
because
Ghana no so akon say ade bu honom na say public outcry no eni hon ma political will no so yedene senka enipe hu say oh me koto na ma we kra me ya de o mu a nti veterinary doctor nko inspecting na ma me a o make asa na ka ban na ka say endia ye fa veterinary doctors ma ko hwe
ba ye mfa mo nya hwe
ye mfa nya hwe because onipa no anka so onim say ya we be 65% e woni pem no onya fi mu honom nti enye na ade hia oh me say me tia ni me yen say bi enkoso enyo me tumi nko market me nko market kotokoso endi because sometimes me stroke akra because issues of antibiotic resistance also and then we are what you do we bo hu antibiotic resistance ebu ya rebu on my tumi say ke dey amoxicillin yes say ya no unya ya say ya dey na hospital sisi ende because oh e dey amoxicillin ba kwa enyo djuma because sa bacterium no again resistant to that antibiotic.
I'm just a watch my ambas who won't go to Kusia Bonte and Abataway.
Oh, say, me ever not to me and movie.
Sir, not other can be checked. I can't even function.
Me, my coffee na minim say, most of the time, no. And I'm say, farmers no money choice. Money adequate access to veterinary services. In the quest, they be no, or more than drone, a pompiku, and one said, "Be almost surviving."
Doctor, you may ever say, Mr. Brace, some beam your senior wa, you bet was so. There was a papa, Dr. Jason for free veterinary service now, and money a dim come over breeze. Just as I said, oh, tear or one summoner, the brave or homunia jumanye. A buying water ho, yes, ro. So munya jumayanka, when yes, I just a mumma ye bubu for so ni pay woon near day. Timidity say, a dear betchenia tias and de, a dear free a buying ho. Nkwa Hia Adom dear Adom TV, so do a denumere. 9:30 bia de kwesi no ndumpa mu ye de bro enne de aha na brema kwan na ye de siasa danu koma you darling mu je dro kofa heba kwa fs on a boy ye chidom na page 1 salon ni Romeo collection e wo kuma senso dress me kama pa me da tosh any fruits any me director Raymond Kumsin Eleanor Saibuache makeup Esther Ann any me sound man me do bia SMC Sebwaye